All I'm really doing here is entering when the imbalance is extended. I'll enter again when it continues to extend, and I will just keep on doing that until the eventual pullback in the price action. We're starting out with micros and we're sizing in. Really curious to see if this approach works. Four shots of espresso and eating Chick-fil-A cookies for breakfast. Been having some of the best trading I've ever had in the past 3 years.
Order filled.
I'm in.
Order filled.
Perfect. 25 bucks is all we need to pass this lucid trading prop firm evaluation. Let's see if we can do it right here. We're in with one contract trading the S&P 500.
Order filled.
All right, we're in with two. Got to get over 25. There it
Order
is.
filled.
Woo! We passed, guys. We are now funded. What you guys witnessed was one of the worst trades on the channel, and a lot of it had to do with me not listening to my exit approach. Some of you may look at this and be like, wow, that is terrible. But all this is going to do for me is reinforce my exit strategy and make me stronger moving forward. As long as I don't give up, my human brain came into play on my exit. For a $230 loss, I decided, okay, my exit's here. This is where I would get out. It's for a loss. Cut it like I've done many times before, even through the past 17 sessions that have been some of the best trading I've ever taken, right? But no, I decided, you know what? No, I don't want to accept a loss. Let's keep on pushing. And I did that. And the result was, instead of taking 230 in loss on the unrealized against 180 in profit from this morning, that would have only been a $50 loss. The accounts would be alive. We'd be good. Instead, I kept going. We amassed a $1,000 loss on both accounts. We were copy trading one funded account with the Lucid Trading Prop firm, as well as an evaluation, and they're both gone now. Today was a great day to see a big fat mistake and a dumb human stupid brain screwing up an approach that's been wildly consistent for me over the course of 3 weeks. So yeah, it gets us all. It does. We gotta persevere and get better and keep on pushing through all the failure. Guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow morning around 9 a.m. CST.